Hello, it's Marco from DPlugins, and today I want to announce the new feature of the DevKit, and that's the image URL redirect. What does this feature doing? So in this case, I'm having the let's say production website that is under the dev.plugins.com, and the actual website is root redirect. So let's go to the website. I have only one page, and let's go to the media library. So I have 16 images, and the biggest problem is sometimes the website can be really big. So I just want to show you this page. This is 2 images, and then we have the background image as well. So usually if you want to do something in the local, so you don't need to do the stress of breaking something on your website, or you just want to experiment and test your design, you usually need to go download the website. And let's see, this is already this small website, 340 megabytes, but you know that the big website can be a couple of gigabytes, and that's really pain to download. So in this case, what we are going to do, we are going to exclude the media library, and we are going to press now export again, and it's only 64 megabytes. So let's just download it to the desktop. Perfect. Let's now jump to the local website, and here we only have the only one migration, and we have the DevKit. I want to point that on this website I don't even have the DevKit installed. I just have one plugin for the images to download them fast. So what we are going to do, we are going to import. Perfect. You see that it was really fast because it was only 60 megabytes. Permalinks. Okay, post name. Let's go to the pages. Let's see the pages, and the website looks broken because we didn't download any media files. But we're going to fix that now. Let's go to the plugins. Go to the image optimization, and let's scroll to the latest feature. So we are going to copy the root. We're going to save the root. We're going to reload, and you can see that now with only 60 megabytes, we have everything set up. So what we are doing, we are actually redirecting these images from the main website. So you don't need to download everything. And we can go to the media. You can see that everything is working perfectly. So let's disable the feature. Everything is broken. Enable the feature. Go back. Everything works perfectly. So if you are thinking how does this looks inside the builder, everything works perfectly as well. So you can see how much time you're going to save with this. So let's just, for example, create some changes. Let's do this and this, save. And what we're going to do here, we are going to export only the database now to be even smaller. So don't need files. We literally want to have only the database. So this is going to be only 68 kilobytes. So we are going to do this, import. We're going to import less than a megabyte with our changes. permalinks. Perfect. Go to pages. And you can see that all your changes are transferred with just less than a megabyte. How awesome is this? And you're probably asking yourself, does this work with the builders? Let's test it and see for ourselves. So let's activate bricks. Okay, let's create one page. Test bricks ready rect. Publish, and let's edit with bricks. So let's add image element, select the image. You see that everything is working here. Perfect, everything is working. So that means that if you transfer this update also to the online website, everything is going to work as well. So please give us feedback on this. Do you like it? Will you find it useful, or do you need some builders that we maybe not support? Please test it with the other builders as well. And if you need more integration, we will be happy to do it as well. Thank you for watching, and bye.